Hello everybody, I'm back and I have some exciting news for you. Unfortunately, I can't find my camera, so I'm filming on my phone today and I hope that the quality of the video will be a-okay. Hi, I'm Judy and I am back with my brand Adored Bevies. Those of you who have been here on my channel for years know that I started it as a channel for nail polish swatches and nail art. Unfortunately, over the years, I kind of burned out and I don't find as much joy in swatching nail polishes anymore as I used to. And also some things happened over the last year or two that kind of changed my direction of where I want to go. Many of you know that I do have a brand called Adored Colors. That is my nail polish brand. That is also probably slowly going to die out. I'm not really sure yet where I want to take Adored Colors as of right now, but I discovered a new passion and that is making scrunchies. And because Halloween is right around the corner, I'm trying to put everything up on my social media, so make sure that you definitely follow me here on YouTube. Also check out my Instagram account Adored Bevies, and I am working on a TikTok account and probably a Pinterest account as well. I will try to leave anything I can in the description bar below. I hope you will like my fun Halloween collection. These are my very first releases. What you can expect from this collection are my giant scrunchies and then the hero scrunchies. The giant scrunchies are pretty much extra to extra large scrunchies, and the hero scrunchies are your regular typical size scrunchies. I will leave the link to the new store also in the description bar. I will show you today quickly designs that I will be releasing. When you see this video, the scrunchies should be already online or will be up in a day or two. I will have all the details linked for you in the description bar or try to pin it in the comment section so that you don't miss out on the release date. So let me just show you what I will have in the store. Just one more thing, I will be naming my scrunchies after places, so that can be pretty much anything. That can be a city, a state, depending on the season and the collection release. If you do have any name recommendations, I will be looking for your help very soon. Those will be probably mostly on Instagram. Let me know what you think about these fun scrunchies. I am so happy with them and I do hope that you will like them as much as I do. As you can tell, I am Halloween ready. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 orange scrunchies, then I have 3 black with different colors, and then I also have 1 with a white background. This is the very first scrunchie, and this one is a fun Halloween trick or treat scrunchie. The next one is this more muted orange with black cat, calls, and jack-o'-lantern. And I absolutely love how vibrant orange these scrunchies are. Pretty much just a plain neon orange. They don't come across as neon as in real life through the lens of my phone. So again, you have the giant and the hero version. And these scrunchies are more fun. They are really vibrant with some glitter on them. These have more of a waxy feel to them. They are made out of different material than the previous scrunchies that I showed you, but I really like the design. It's a spider with spider web. Now I'm moving into the black scrunchies, and as you can see, these have very fun colors. So this is probably the brightest one. These scrunchies have different neon colors of green, purple, red, and yellow to orange. And all these designs will be, or all these scrunchies will be a little different because the design is kind of like a splatter effect. Your scrunchie may not look exactly like the ones that I'm showing you, but again, they will be available in the giant and the hero size. These scrunchies are again a little bit more muted. These just have some fun, colorful style stars and moons with spiderweb. They are more elegant but still Halloween-like. And the last black scrunchies are these tie-dye spiders with spiderwebs on them. Look of these scrunchies will probably vary because of the design itself. I really like them. They are more muted, but they still look absolutely gorgeous. And as I mentioned at the beginning, it's more like an off-white to cream base. Jack-o'-lanterns, skulls, and hats, bats, and different other designs. I really like these because they are so different from the rest of the scrunchies that I will be offering as part of my Halloween releases. Alright, I really hope you liked everything that I showed you today. All the details will be in the description bar. I'm really trying to get everything up as quickly as possible since Halloween is approaching. Let me know which one is your favorite. I hope you will be heading over to my online website where I will be offering these scrunchies. Definitely stay also tuned for some fall to winter scrunchies. Those will be coming very soon. But for now, I wanted to get at least these ones out. I'm a procrastinator and I'm always slow on everything, but I do hope that you like this release. Please let me know what you think about them. I am really excited to share my new journey with you. I do hope that you will stick around for this fun journey with me, and I greatly appreciate in advance all your support. Thank you. Happy Halloween, and I will be back very soon. Bye.